Just breathe that air. It's refreshing. It's life-giving. When I breathe the air of Albania, I am home.
How did I know? You're dead to me. How did I know? You're dead to me.
There are very few mountains in the world that give you such a combination of beauty, challenge, and a sense of wonder that the mountains of Albania can give you. Just look at the Albanian Alps. As the wind through the various forests and landscapes, we enjoy the rivers and lakes that stand apart from others in the world. I know nothing with certainty, but the sight of the stars makes me dream, dazzled by the spectacular Milky Way galaxy under the quenchless stars, so eloquently bright, untroubled centuries of the shadowy night. Nowhere else can you continue your adventure by discovering the ancient and intricate castles in Albania, teaching us the history of our great land and the people who lived here long ago. To finish our day, what better way to end than to enjoy the magnificent coastline of Albania on one of its beaches and watch the sunset at the end of our amazing journey that unfolds all these Albanian vistas.
And that's the end of today's presentation. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share the content. This channel would not be possible without you, and you are the motivation for me to keep making these videos. Thank you for taking some time out of your day to join us. You have been watching BN Channel, and I will see you again soon for the next video. Cheers.
Channel, a new perspective of moments.